My dear viewers, today I will make a review on Bushbox, which is coming from Bushcraft Essentials. I will check now their webpage. It's this one, Bushcraft Essentials. And I go to Home, and that is their products. They have different kind of sizes of it. Today I will do a review of this size, the biggest one. Actually, they have smaller ones. I think most interesting of those which I have these hinges here, because they're very quickly to assemble and very easy to use. Actually, it's possible to put some kind of like wood chips or whatever, small branches and pieces of wood. Actually, or possible to put some kind of trangia burner inside. So actually, like in some way it's called multi-fuel, but in some way I think it's more like a wood stove, because, and maybe it's just for me to use it as a fireplace, so to say, when I'm outside and I just don't want to spoil, so to say, the grass or something like in the forest. I just put it and put some kind of small sticks in it, and then I have a small fire. So it's just to look on the fire in some way. But they have also the smallest one here. They're also usable, but those I don't like so much because they're a bit like you need to assemble them by hands, and if you are using a lot of with a fire, then they become really dirty, and so it's a bit messy. So, but in general, we will look to the one which is the biggest one and see how it's look like in real forest. Also, here is very interesting. They have some kind of accessories, which I like as well. In some way, what's interesting here, it's some kind of this leather pouch, because it's very interesting just to put it in it. It will look very nice and stylish. Because usually when you buy it, it whether goes without any kind of bag, or it goes with this kind of bag from some kind of artificial canvas or something like that. So heavy duty outdoor bag for the Bushbox titanium. Yes, it's more like plastic bag, but not really plastic, it's some kind of canvas, plastic canvas, whatever. So, but I think this could be also very interesting, this leather pouch Bushbox. Okay, so we will just now look how it's looking in the forest. That's Bushcraft Essentials. This one some kind of, it's like a grill or small fireplace which you can use next to place where I usually sit. You see, I just open it, it's very easy to assemble. Actually, it's no need to assemble, you just push it out and that's all. It's packed in such kind of bag. So there is some accessories also which you can put here on top and boil some water if necessary or something like that. So, but we don't need it at the moment, I will just put it aside. So how possible to use it actually? I'm actually sitting in my chair in this place where I am actually. It's a lot of small sticks and this kind of wood all over. It's a lot of them actually, they're everywhere. So you just, as far as you can grab them, you grab them, all of them around. Now it's not very dry, but it's more or less dry. So actually collect as much as you can. So far, just it's all around here. So just like that. So that's maybe enough to start a fire. Then if we need more, we just grab a bit more as well. It's here as well, here, and it's a bit here. So now we have a lot of them. Now we take a lighter. Yes. I have smaller startup.
here. Now we can put some sticks inside. I like to make some fire sometimes, so this is just easy way. Just to have a fire, because sometimes it's nice to be in a forest to make some fire, but you don't want to make a real one because you don't need, maybe when it's not very cold, but just to look on it. It's possible actually to cook on this as well, but if we have something else to cook on, not necessary to use this one. So far you see we use most of the sticks around us here. I'll just put it here. I'll just clean it a bit around as much as we have. This is also possible to use. Here's a bigger stick. There is something under the chair, you see, so we can put it as well. And then we have sticks here. Actually, when it will be a lot of coal, actually possible to use this grill as well, just to fry something on it if necessary. So, or as I showed earlier, basically possible to put this, to fix them on top, and then you can put any cup or pot on top of that. But it's only in case if it's really something you need it to boil on the fire, if you don't have fuel for your stove or something. It's easy and nice to sit next to fire. Actually, it's quite warm also. Very nice. In some kind of in a lazy way, just to start up a fire this way. It's a lot of small ones like that. You can collect all of them here from this side as well. Just as much you can collect around you. I'm just cleaning a bit of forest this way. Now we can collect a little bit firewood around. Try to grab maybe sticks which are bigger a bit. So it's just to have some firewood. This kind of is very useful for that. There is some berries also, you know, after winter. Very sweet actually. Very, very sweet. Yes. We'll grab something here as well. These kinds of sticks, it's a lot of them here. Here are the bigger ones. This is nice, it's a bit wet. We'll take dry. While we were away, you see fire. Now we have to start from the beginning. You see, very easy. Now we have a lot of small sticks, a lot of bigger sticks as well. I'll put this one as well here. Now we'll put a bit bigger sticks. Cooking on this is possible, but that means you need all the time to put the sticks in and control the fire. It's possible, but maybe only in case if it's really something you need to cook on this. There's no other options. For me it's better just to make small fire, not in this box, but just normal, to put real sticks and few of them, and then you can put on these sticks something to boil. Oh, you can hang some pots on it. So on this is, I think it's a bit limited for cooking. It's actually easy. You can grab and put sticks in it. And it's a fire. It's nice. Just to sit next to the fire, relaxing. They're different actually. They can be out of titanium and I think stainless steel. It's a bit different weight, but any of them is good. I think what's most interesting in those that they're easy to assemble. It's very easy. They are very much interesting construction of this, how they fix on hinges, all these parts, and it's easy to open and close it. Actually, there's some kind of Bushcraft essential these boxes, bush boxes, which you assemble manually without any kind of hinges. Those are a bit complicated, you know, because you have to put them together just in a certain way, and then after you burn fire in it, they become a bit dirty, and then it's like it starts being messy when you always put it up and down together with your hands. And this one is much easier, simply very easy to assemble and put it back into the pouch. So And now we'll packing after all burns, and we have some ash here. We can throw away ash. It's very easy to pack it back. Now it's all